Hi guys, in this video I am telling you that unlimited keys for subway surfer. You are seeing Mickey's. You are seeing first step collect award of keys. I am telling you unlimited keys and coin and next update of subway surfer. Hurry up for subscribe my channel and like my video and click to notification icon. First step you eat and second step you are seeing one ad and earn 1 keys or 3 keys or 5 keys anyone. So subscribe my channel and like my video for games videos seeing. So you earn unlimited keys. You say one update ads and earn 3 keys and so one ads and earn taken box. So reward in 25 seconds after one taken box. So subscribe my Maran official gaming channel. You see token box. I am one token box and my character you are seeing my character is okay and shapes boards. You are any shapes selected and you are collect for this boosters you earn here my heat booster and jack pack you are earn and for this video please subscribe my channel and you are earn anything my last video seeing and earn unlimited keys. Okay, thanks.